Hey guys, I'm here with another recipe. I am making shrimp scampi Alfredo. So you'll need shrimp, heavy cream, butter, shallots, garlic, Oswego cheese, Parmesan cheese, and of course, you'll need the noodles, fettuccine noodles. So here I have shallots. Now you don't want to use the whole shallot. You want to cut up at least half of it. So I split the shallot in half, and then I'm going to just cut half of that. And that's what I'm going to use. And let me just go throw all this stuff out so we can get to cutting the garlic. Now here I'm going to cut up the garlic. I'm going to use at least 5 cloves of garlic. And all this is going to be chopped up finely. You can either chop it on your own, or if you have a chopper, which I do, you just chop it up all together. You don't need to chop it up separately. So I have my 5 cloves of garlic in my chopper, and I'm also going to add my shallots, my 2 pieces of shallots, and then I'm going to chop that up real finely. Oh, if you guys don't own one of these, you need to purchase one. Look how well it has chopped it up for me within seconds. And there you have it. So I'm going to add some oil to the pan, and then I'm going to throw in the garlic and the shallots, and I'm going to cook them and saute them. You don't want to brown them, you just want them to saute. And just mix it around in the butter and the garlic and the shallots and the butter. Now be sure to not brown the garlic. And then I'm going to start to add my shrimp. So I'm going to add all the shrimp. I have here jumbo shrimp, and then I have large shrimp. So you just want to place them all down till they're flat. We're going to throw them all in there. Make sure they're all touching the pan while they're cooking. Not on top of each other. And you're going to cook them until they start to turn pink. You guys probably know how to cook shrimp. The jumbo ones seem to cook faster than the large ones, which I was quite surprised. So I'm just going to saute them. And as you can see, the jumbo ones got pink faster, and I just flipped them over. I'm just going to keep flipping them over and checking them. And once they're all pink, then we're going to take them out. Okay, they're coming along very nicely. If only you can smell it. So I took the jumbo shrimp out, and those are the large shrimp are still cooking. So we're going to continue to cook these until they get a little bit more pinker. And then we took them out. I took them out, and now I'm going to add the whole quart of heavy cream, or you can use whipping cream. So we're going to use the whole thing of that, and then we're just going to mix it in together. We're just going to mix it. And then we're going to wait until it comes to a boil. So again, this is on like medium heat. I'm just going to mix it all together, and then just let it sit and let it come to a boil like that. So once it comes to a boil now, we're going to start adding our other ingredients. So here I have Oswego cheese. You're going to take a whole handful of that, and you're going to throw it in to the heavy cream. And then you have your Parmesan cheese. You're going to grab another handful and throw that in there as well. See, I got a handful of the Oswego and a handful of the Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to mix that in until it melts. This is a very simple, quick recipe, and I wanted to bring you guys along so you can check it out yourselves and maybe try it. So I'm just going to mix that until it all blends in together, and then I'll leave it alone until it boils. Okay, no more, it's not lumpy anymore, it all melted. Well, there we go. And now I'm going to add my shrimp back into the pot. And then you're going to mix that all up together. Now at this time I've turned my eye down low because you don't want to overcook the shrimp. So I turn the eye on low. And I'm just going to let it simmer for another 15 minutes. And then I'm going to turn it off, put the top on it. I did add some salt and pepper to it just for taste. It's up to you. You can taste it and see if you want to add any extra things. But there is your shrimp scampi Alfredo sauce. So now I'm done with the noodles. See, I added salt and pepper. I'm done with the noodles. I threw all the noodles in the pot with the sauce. And then you're just going to mix this all in to the sauce. Make sure all the noodles get covered in the sauce. It was so good. Just keep mixing. And that's about it, guys. There you have it. Shrimp scampi, homemade Alfredo. Thank you guys for watching. I will show you my plate because I also made broccoli to go along with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, thumbs it up, and leave me a comment. And voila, guys, there is my dinner.